All right, guys, this is how you are going to access your diagnostic levels after you've taken the diagnostic arena test. So I logged in as a student, and when you log in, you're going to want to make sure you click the diagnostic up here. When you click diagnostic, it's going to look something along the lines of this. Then you're going to scroll down because it gives you math first. I want you to scroll down. And it's going to give you your language arts areas. So this particular student still needs to finish the diagnostic to get that writing strategies. You know you've completed the diagnostic when you have stars on each one of these areas. So if you're not done and you don't have stars, please click step back into the arena, hit that drop down again and click language arts. Anyone else, if you have stars on all of your areas, I want you to pick your lowest area. So this particular student, their lowest score is in reading strategies. Once you've identified which area you need to work on, I want you to click recommended skills, and then it has given this student 8 recommended skills to increase that score. In order to view those recommended skills, you are going to click the arrow to look at all of them. So you have compare and contrast and informational text. You have use context to identify the meaning of a word. You have identify the story elements, draw inferences from a text, so on and so forth. There's 8 different skills that you can work on. I want you to pick 2 skills in your lowest area. I want you to hit try it, and I want you to get a SMART score of at least 80 on those 2 skills that you scored lowest in, okay? That's all I want you to do for IXL today. If you are not done with your diagnostic and you do not have a star next to all of these areas, please go back into the arena and finish that for me. Don't worry about math just yet. We will work on that later. I really want us to focus on language arts right now. All right, guys, good luck.